So most people play chords in the right hand, like this. But what I teach people is playing chords in the left hand. That way you have way more control over the emotional resonance of the song, because in your left hand, if the chords is already clear, let me give you another song example. Now let me play this song, The Sound of Music, with my left hand playing chords and my right hand playing the melody. Let me play it halftime. That way you can have playing chords in the left hand and still expand in emotional depth by adding chords on top in your right hand. So when you play chords in the left hand, if you want to superpower this, then you would combine both. And it's very easy to implement because it starts with color blocks, which is a specialized, which is a easy way to play chords in your left hand. If this interests you, I have a lot of long form videos about this. Alright, thank you for watching, bye.